Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will compare bidet toilets versus traditional toilets. We'll explore the key differences in how they function and what benefits each offers. From cleaning methods to environmental impact and user experience, we'll cover it all. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding to help you decide which option is best suited for your home and lifestyle. Let's dive in and explore these two common bathroom fixtures. Bidet toilets provide a thorough, water-based cleanse, which many find more hygienic than dry wiping. This also dramatically cuts down on toilet paper use, benefiting both your wallet and the environment. Modern bidets often come with luxurious features like adjustable warm water sprays, heated seats, and even air dryers, enhancing comfort. For individuals with sensitive skin or certain medical conditions, the gentle wash can offer significant relief and a more pleasant experience. Traditional toilets remain a popular choice for many reasons. They are often more budget-friendly upfront and simpler to install, usually not requiring special electrical outlets. You'll find an extensive selection of designs, from classic to contemporary, fitting any bathroom aesthetic. While they rely on toilet paper for cleaning, modern traditional toilets are built with durable ceramic and efficient flushing systems, providing reliable performance and easy maintenance for years of use. When deciding between a bidet and a traditional toilet, consider several factors. Your budget for the initial purchase and potential long-term savings on toilet paper are important. Think about your personal hygiene preferences and the comfort features you desire. Also, weigh the environmental impact of water versus paper consumption. Finally, assess the installation complexity and how each option fits into your bathroom space and daily routine. The best choice is one that meets your specific needs and enhances your overall bathroom experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.